Hi, it's Andy from Styles. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to successfully print on 600D polyester fabric. A great way to extend your product range and increase business revenue is to offer technically purpose-driven products like these bags. So what is 600D? If you've been shopping for backpacks or outdoor gear recently, you've probably noticed the rise in products made from 600D fabric, with wholesale brands like BagBase and Quadra leading the charge. So what makes 600D polyester so popular? Firstly, it's durable. The 600D refers to the denier, which measures the thickness of the fibers. At 600, the fabric is tough enough to handle daily wear and tear without looking worn out. But it's not just strong, it's also water resistant and sometimes waterproof. Polyester naturally repels moisture, and these backpacks have an added coating, keeping your laptop or tools dry even in the rain. And here's a bonus. Contrary to popular belief about waterproof fabrics, it's actually heat press friendly. While all waterproof and PVC coatings are made up of different ingredients, they do have one thing in common: heat sensitivity. By preparing for this, you'll be hard pressed to find a 600D fabric that you can't press. So today we're working with the Circuit Gym Tote and Simplicity Roll Top Backpack from BagBase, along with the waterproof 35-litre tote and the waterproof roll top from Quadra, all constructed from 600D polyester. I'll be using the Hotronics Dual Air Fusion IQ heat press because its air-powered pressure technology delivers consistent, precision-controlled pressure with every application. This is critical when working with backpacks and technical bags. The first step is platen and pressure selection. To achieve a successful print, we need to isolate the print areas. Two of the bags will use the 20x25 lower platen, while the other two will use the 10x10cm platen. Because both of these platens isolate a small print area, we're going to be using a low to medium pressure 30 to 40 psi. Next, we need to address the heat sensitivity of the fabric. Instead of standard release paper, we're going to be using the GripFlex rubber pad. This acts as a thicker buffer, distributing heat evenly and reducing the risk of scorching. For the transfers, we're using Ultracolor Pro heat transfers, which is here at just 125 degrees Celsius, one of the lowest temperature transfer systems available anywhere. This combination ensures crisp, durable adhesion on 600D polyester fabric. When using the GripFlex pad, you will need to play around with time and temperatures a little bit. We found for perfect application, we added an extra 5 degrees in the temperature and a dwell time for an extra 5 seconds, and we were able to decorate with no scorch marks. By following this methodical approach, we can consistently apply high-quality heat transfers to coated technical backpacks and bags, making them a reliable, high-value addition to any custom workwear business.